Hello TK with Trust Cleaning. This is Joel from JND SEO. I'm going to show you 3 ways that having a website would help you to actually increase some of your business, and 3 strategies we typically like to take when building a website. So at the end of the video, if you have any questions, though, we could just set up a quick phone call. If not, I'm going to give you a bunch of free tips and strategies if you do decide to build your site that you could use when you do that. All right, so as you can see, you guys didn't have a website for me to kind of show you and to kind of show you where I would improve. So here is what you guys currently have in your GMB right now, or Google My Business. What shows up when you do a search for you guys, you can see normally there'd be a website button here that you guys would click, but we don't have one. But we do have some of your contact info. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to quick show you, if I just did a typical search, right, for cleaning services Worcester MA, and this is just any Google search you do. This is a keyword right here, and this just means a lot of people search it, right? So 90 people search cleaning services Worcester MA right now. And so that's really why, one reason why having a website would be an excellent way to be found for it. But there's 3 ways to get on this first page. First way is to pay for ads, which is what these people at the top have done here. The second way is to get in this GMB or Google My Business. Now, the real way to do this is with citations. However, actually, I'll just go through. Citations are when you get your business name, address, and phone number all listed together into a directory. So those are sites like Home Advisor, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, or your social media, so Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, all those. Now, you can see here they have their name, they have their address, and phone number. These guys are the top 3. They could view all of the rest, but the top 3 are going to get the most attention. They're going to gather about 30% of the total search volume that comes through. We're going to click one of these 3 here. And because their phone number is listed, they're going to get direct calls and their website as well. Now, the other thing is, to be on here, you really have to have a website, because you also have to be ranking on the first page to get in there. And then we're going to find below the map section, we're going to find the organic section where you're going to get 10 results. It's the same with any Google search you do. And at the very bottom, you'll get a few more ads. These people aren't really getting anything off of these, though, because they're at the bottom. And so the top company here is going to be the Maids Worcester. So what I'm going to do is show you what they're doing, right? So if we look at their site, they've got all their links to other pages here, which is really good. They have a very professional-looking site. And what Google cares about the most, though, is all this, right? And they probably have about 800 words of content. And Google recommends having about 1,500 words. So if you guys build a site, you want about 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Now, in that content, you want to make sure you have keywords like this, which are the best keywords for the area, like cleaning services Worcester MA. And this is all for the organic section down here. And the third thing that Google wants to see for that is they want to know they can trust your site. So actually, I'm going to go to the Made site, right? So if we look at theirs, this UR number, this is Google's trust in this site. And the DR number is the power. So if we take their website, the maidsworcester.com, this is a program I pay for called Ahrefs. It allows me to kind of analyze their site. This is their headers on the top of their page, which they've put on there. This just allows Google to find them a little bit easier. You can get your business name as well as a keyword. And then you want to talk about backlinks and referring domains. This is what gives their site the trust and the power. Now, referring domains are just websites that are linked to their website, and they're linked through the backlink. So an example would be like a Facebook business page. If they have one set up for the Maids, that would be their referring domain, their Facebook business page, and it's linked through the backlink, which is their web address, which you put in they ask for your website address. You could put in a link just like this, and when you click it, it's going to bring them to their site. Could also be a picture or a button. Now, because they have 109 sites pointing back at theirs or linked to theirs, those sites are vouching for them. We can see of the 109, though, only 31 are like really strong, good ones that we'd recommend. So that's giving them a trust of 26, which allows them to bring in about 454 keywords that they're being found in searches for, just like we did as our example here in our Google search. And they're getting about 196 actual visitors to their website, right? And I could quickly show you another one that we looked at before, Discover Cleaning Corp. Now, you can see they only have 17 sites pointing back at them, which only 6 of them are strong, so they have a trust of 17. So they only have 11 keywords. The keywords are what really bring the visitors in. So they have 0 visitors coming to their site. So you can see the difference and why it's important to make sure you get all of these things put into your site. Now you can actually click the referring domains or the websites pointing back at them that are giving them some trust, and you can go through and find their strongest ones. A lot of those sites you can actually join or sign up for and create a profile or membership, and you can get some of the same trust that they have as well as links. And that's how you get in this organic section where you're going to get a lot of people coming to your website and calling you directly. Now, like I said, the other way is through this map pack by getting your citations, your business name, address, phone number, all listed and getting to the top. So if these guys have 30 at the top 3 here, you'd want like 130 to run up the score on them so they can't catch you. And the last way is if you wanted to pay for ads, you could be one of the top 3. You would just have to outbid these 3 and you would make it in this top group here, and you'd be the first thing that new customers would see in a search. All right, TK, I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer them for you, or I can give you some more information. I'll give you a call in about a day or so and just see what you thought of the video. Hopefully you found it helpful, as that was really the purpose of this. But thank you for your time and have a great day.